Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this month's Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and begin with the video. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you can get skincare and beauty products. Right now, they have 3 types of boxes. So you can get the base box, you can also get the BOXY Premium, and the BOXY LUXE. So all information will be on my description box. But let's first begin with the base box. For this month, June, you will get these products. And actually, this is the one I'm wearing on my face right now. I just did a tutorial using the products I got in this box. So let's begin with this very orangey eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand Touch in Sol, and this is the Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette. And oh, this is made in Taiwan. That's interesting. I thought Touch in Sol is a Korean brand, but I'll show you the info. I'll let you know how much is this eyeshadow palette. This retails for $32, and so far so good. I love all the shades I used in today's makeup look. It's very summery. And next is this Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. This is how it looks like. And I'm not really a fan of a cream products, but when it comes to contour or to sculpt my cheeks, I really love using cream bronzers and contour. So far, I love this shade. I use it today. And the blush, it's alright. It's very subtle, as well as the highlighter. It's not that typical blinding highlight that they used to come out recently. But yeah. So this palette or powder trio retails for $24 as well. Next is this mascara, and this is from the brand Lilly Lashes, and this so far has a dry formula, which I like because I love that type of formulas, but I still have to test it out because I'm not really sure if this is a waterproof mascara. But this retails for $24. Next is this KAB lip liner and lip gloss duo. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's not the type of shade that I will go for on a daily basis, but it looks okay. The lip liner is very creamy, and the lip gloss, it doesn't feel sticky on my lips. And this retails for $40. That's expensive. And last but not the least is this First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and this retails for $18. I'm actually looking for a product like this because I have these red bumps all over my arms, which is so annoying. Sometimes I can't wear sleeveless clothes because of this. But anyhow, I'm hoping that this will work out. And yeah, this is, oh, it's also cheap. It's for $18. Now let's move ahead with this month's BOXY Premium. Next, guys, is Boxycharm Premium, and this is really my subscription box. The first box, or the base box, it was sent by Boxycharm for PR purposes, but these last 2 boxes, I really paid for them. So at the end of this video, I'm planning to do a giveaway. So I think this will be a monthly thing. So every month, I'd like to share with you these 3 boxes that I get every month, and the products that I don't use on these boxes, I'll just give it away for you guys. So watch till the end of the video para maka-join kayo sa giveaway ko. So first product that you might get if you're subscribed to their Boxycharm Premium is this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. And I love the Retinol eye cream or eye sleeping mask. I love it. So I'm looking forward to try this out. This retails for $49. Next is from Too Faced, and yeah, I don't have this in my collection. This is the Cocoa Contour palette, and oh my god, look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. So you will get contour and highlighter. Yeah, but it's not shimmery or anything. These formulas are matte, but yeah, I'm still looking forward to try this out because I don't really like shimmery or anything with sheen when it comes to contour or bronzer. Next is Oh, by the way, this retails for $44. Next is from Kat Von D, and this is the Inkwell Long Wear Matte Eyeliner. I've never tried Kat Von D eyeliner, but I've heard a lot of good reviews, so I'm looking forward to try this out. This retails for $20. Next is Skin & Co. Sardinian Shower Gel. Yeah, so if you don't know, Boxycharm, they also include like skincare products, well, body products, I'd say, like body wash, body gel, lotion, hand cream. So anything beauty you can get, or you might get when you're subscribed to their Boxycharm Premium Base Box or LUXE. So this retails for $22. Am I missing something? Okay guys, so I just found out that I'm missing one product on my box, and this is the ZOEVA Eyeshadow Fix. I think it's an eyeshadow primer. So if you ever got this, it retails for $12, but I'm going to email Boxycharm and let them know that I'm missing one product. The last product I'm going to show you for this premium box is this $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Brush Duo. So it's for contour and highlighter. Oh, it's very soft. And yeah, I have a lot of brushes, so I'm sure I'm gonna put this in my next giveaway. And last but not the least, guys, I have here my BOXY LUXE, and oh, look at this. It includes a huge brochure, because I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll get 8 products if you're subscribed to their BOXY LUXE. So let's begin with this product, and I'm so excited to try this out. I've never tried any products from Kylie Skin, so I'm really looking forward to try this out. This is the foaming face wash, and this retails for $24. So I'm gonna try this out. And then I have here product from Purlisse. Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream. They sent the shade light medium, so hopefully this is my shade. This retails for $35. So this is kind of expensive. Anywho, next is again a mascara from Lilly Lashes. And next is a eyeshadow palette. I don't have this palette. This is from Tarte. This is the Tarte Pro eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $49. Next product is a Gua Sha. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers using this like face sculptor, and this is how it looks like. Ooh, there you go. This is not the typical Gua Sha that I've been seeing on Instagram, but this retails for $32. Next is m.greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream. So it's a CBD product, and I'm not really into using CBD products, but I'm looking to try it out. We'll see. And this retails for $56. Oh my god. I think this is the most expensive one. Wait, no, there's another one. Malin, I don't know how to say it, but this is a recovery treatment oil. It's supposed to quickly nourish your skin and help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $82. Oh my god, that's expensive. But anyway, the last product is from Bodyography, and this is a lip pencil. So that is it for this BOXY LUXE, and now let's go ahead and begin with the giveaway. So these products, some of them I got it on my previous Boxycharm subscription, but I'll include something from this month's boxes. And for the giveaway, you'll be getting this box, so I'll show you what's inside. First is this Kate Somerville Smooth and Firm Serum. So this is a skincare product. You will also get this Avant 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And then you will get the Lilly Lashes Mascara. You will also get this Manacador Lip Gloss. And the sculpting brush that I showed you a while ago. And of course, this eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty. I love this eyeshadow palette. Let me show you the inside. Look at that. So I think you love this eyeshadow palette. So the rules is very simple. Just follow the mechanics. I'll be putting it on my description box, and let me know what videos you want to see next. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.